Hello, welcome back to Box. Today I'm doing something a little different. There's this new type of coding going around called batch file coding, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do some very basic coding, and then I'll leave a description for leave the code and description for a cool little clock, which I will show at the end of the video. So, how do we go about doing this? Well, it's pretty simple. So first, the first line after getting on the text document. By the way, you want to create a new text document like this. To do that, you can right-click the desktop, hover over New. Go down until you find text document, then you would click that. I already have one saved on here though. Anyways, you want to go onto your text document, you want to type at echo space all. Then you want to do 2 enters or returns, depending on your computer. And then you want to type CLS, enter, echo, space, then whatever you want. Now, quick thing, this symbol does not work on the computer. That symbol does not work. I feel like I should mention that. Then enter again and add more to your liking. All that kind of thing. And then you want to type pause, and then you would go to File, Save As, select Desktop. You don't have to, it just makes it easier to access. Then you can name it whatever you want. Yeah, go ahead. That's weird. Anyways, so now that we have that, we can go check to see if that worked. So you go to your files, find your document, and then this little beautiful thing would pop up. And now we have a little thing. Show it to you better. So it sees that I typed and it says press any key to continue. I press a key, it closes the command prompt. So that's a very basic overview on what you can do. But if we look into some of the more advanced files, as for this one, which displays the time, it will display the time in your time zone. But this one is pretty cool, and I will leave how to do that in the description if I can access it. Yeah, these are some of the other ones that I've created. They're really cool. They are very, very cool. I'm pretty sure if I edit in Notepad, yep, here we are. This is the code. Now, you may notice this just looks like a ton of, like basically the computer puked. So, it can be confusing, but don't worry, it'll be fine. So I will leave this in the description of the video, so you just copy and paste that. Now what do we do? It's very simple, like I said, just copy and paste it, hover over everything in that code. There will be dividers. Do not copy the dividers, but hover over everything in that code, highlight it all. I'm going to do Control-C or Command-C, depending on your computer, or right-click and click copy. Then open up the text file, right-click paste, Control-V, Command-V, and then it will paste everything. Then it may or may not add an extra, like it may or may not add, like here I can show you. Whoa. So it may or may not add something like this at the bottom. You're gonna want to remove that once you put it in. And that's to make a batch file. It's pretty simple. Very fun to use once you really figure it out. There are applications like chatgpt and Google that you can use to get some really cool batch files. But that is all I have for you today. Have a great day, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye.